participants this year. So there's some new recipes up here. Our judges have worked very diligently to determine which of the chilies are the best. We got Kevin Faber here. Woohoo! Fishing man. And Jeff Wagaman. Woo! He looks like a jaguar. In fact, he was a jaguar. All right. He hasn't been eating at the training table. All right. Well, these guys really outdid themselves because they had to try them all.
Good job.
Yeah. And I called to their attention that the Toms, right, we always have Toms, but then we have a couple daredevils among us, and so if it doesn't suit you, you can really do it. Well, our judges are full of chili, and they have consulted with each other and come up with a ranking starting with number 3. Okay? Number 3.
All right, just real quick, I wanted to make mention, one of them we actually did put in the chili category, but just wanted to make a note, it was number 7. Who's that?
John Smith.
It was the white bean and chicken. You guys, if you haven't tried it, it's outstanding, but to us that was not chili. But it was outstanding. Yeah, I heard that was a New York deal. The other one that was really good, just to make mention of real quick, that was not eligible, number 18. Yeah, Benson. It's venison, and his eligibility was in question. He had some rules violations. So our 3rd place winner
Is
Chuck Motes. That was 16. The squirrel too. Great flavor.
Chuck,
A little soupy, but great flavor. All right.
Chuck, wait. Oh, make it. Stand up and I'll make it. Get behind.
You're in there.
You're good. You're good.
More Thank you. The last 2, am I correct in saying that these 2 have kind of a rubber match?
Yeah.
It was pretty amazing. We did this and we came up with our own list by hand here, and the top 2 that we had to go back and forth with on the little match. I guess they've got a competition they've won in past year.
Yeah.
And the 2nd place finisher goes to Ed Buck.
I'm Rodney one.
Ed left him in the car for 3 hours this morning, guys.
What number were you? 15. And then I saw a lot of people walk by it because is that a black bean chili? Yeah. And it looks different, but it's unbelievable. It's excellent. Body shot.
all right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Then we have one more. A winner.
And
This is an ex-winner.
yeah, this is another ex-winner, and when you taste it, I mean, holy cow, it's totally unique. It had everything you look for in chili, including a unique flavor, but it had the pepper, the onion, the consistency. And the winner is Brenda.
Very nice. Very nice. All right.
Thank you. Did you get that? I finally got the old recipe down.
That was awesome. What happened?
Then we do the hottest. Then they have the hottest one.
They always
doing the hottest?
They do it. I always give it to them.
Carlos, how they doing the hottest? Best crock pot.
It was kind of funny. They brought me the names over, and I saw the first two, and I said, "Are you guys serious?" I said, "These